Now I'm not shouting. I'm just projecting my voice to go like this to Lahiru. Now it's a bigger audience, so you have to now broaden. I'm sending my voice there. Do now is you are going to project your voice to reach the person on the other side of the room. When you're projecting your voice, always imagine that's me, this is the other person on the other side. Don't send her the message like this. You have to send her the message like this. Like shooting an arrow, you know. If you're shooting an arrow, that's the target. Arrow ke kavadat meme enne, arrow ke enne meme. So when you're talking to the person, think your voice is going like this. Aliyekge me honda wala wage. Just aim your voice that way. Now I'm not shouting. I am just projecting my voice to Amasha, to Vidun, to Cheran, to Lalin, to Eumi, to Varuna, to Indika, to Damit, to Lasita. How do I know your names now? Now the learning there, right? How do I know the names? Now I can't see so far, right? I couldn't see. I'm interested, one. Two, I have been using them. I have been calling you by your name. That's all it is. No big deal, right? Now I'm not shouting. I'm just projecting my voice to go like this to Lahiru. This is shouting. Lahiru! That is shouting. Don't do that, but project it. Lahiru, Tarinder, Vasant, Upeksha, Upeksha. Now I can talk softly. Upeksha, Upeksha. Upeksha, 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 Upeksha. Another? Yes, you can still hear, right? Project the voice. It's not screaming. It's sending your voice from here there. Okay? Understand? So now we are going to do what we did earlier. So you are going to practice now your 2-minute hobby ekka, making eye contact with everyone now, while all will be talking at the same time and making big gestures. And you can right? All together. So nobody has to feel shy. All together. Right? Ready? And start. Go. So consciously learn. Don't just do your hands like that. You know that it doesn't work. Now it's a bigger audience. You have to increase the size of your gesture. Earlier, if you were doing that, that was anyway not good even for a one person to see. So I said do something like this. Now it's a bigger audience, so you have to now broaden it. Number one. Number two, so from there, Nayana, think you have to get Indika to hear you. That's Indika. Again, it's just the intention, right? You are saying, I have to get Indika to hear me. So I realized I've been talking with the mic on. So you may have thought, so that's why. Now its mic is off, not on. Right? Still, Upeksha. Upeksha. Nayana. Nayana. And can stay. Nayana. Nayana. I'm sending my voice there consciously. So don't talk to yourself, because if you talk to yourself, your voice is only going up to here. A voice is Atan Devan. Yavan. Alright, are we ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Voice again. Send it. Keep talking. Okay, again, we'll start again, right? Can you try to consciously increase the volume level?